Hey there, Mater.
Are you done? I want to do something else.
Come on, but we just got here.
I guess I can wait a little bit, but hurry up, it's gonna be dark in a minute.
Just a few more laps and I'll be done. What's going on over there?
What you looking at, buddy?
Mater, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Well, now I am.
Good. Let me just finish these few laps. Come on, Mater. Help me up.
I told you it was gonna hurt. You ready, buddy?
Oh, yeah. I sure am. Mater, it's too dark. We can't even see anything. Huh? Where'd you go, buddy?
Look what I got from Sarge's surplus.
What in the world is that?
Just some military-grade night vision goggles. Watch this.
Wait up, Mater!
Tractors is dumb.
Mater, look at me, I'm backwards tractor tipping. Let's go, Mater.
Last one, buddy.
All right.